Is Cosmo Chemical about to explode like we saw with Ecopro a few months ago? Everyone's talking about Samsung SDI and LG Energy, but the real sleeper might be Cosmo Chemical. Here's why. Hello and welcome to Fast Stock Analysis with Korean Tiger Trading. Today's focus is Cosmo Chemical, a stock that's been gaining attention as a key player in the secondary battery sector. Can this upward momentum continue? Let's quickly break it down. First, company and financial overview. Cosmo Chemical is the only company in Korea that produces cobalt sulfate and titanium dioxide, both of which are core materials for secondary batteries. In the first quarter of 2025, sales slightly increased to 161.6 billion Korean won, and the company successfully returned to operating profit, signaling improved profitability. Although net profit is still in the red, the loss is narrowing steadily. AI data also highlights decreasing short-term liabilities and improvement in the asset structure as key points. Second, chart and supply-demand analysis. Recently, Cosmo Chemical's share price was trading within the KRW 12,000 to 17,000 range before attempting a breakout into the 20,001 range. In the short term, there's potential upside to 25,000 Korean won. Continuous net buying by institutional investors suggests strong long-term confidence and accumulation. Trading volume has also picked up to around 60 billion Korean won, which is another positive signal. For entry strategy, you can consider small initial positions now and larger positions if a pullback occurs and the stochastic indicator approaches 20. On the 30-minute chart, the stock broke through its previous range with strong volume over 20 billion Korean won, showing solid upward momentum. On the weekly chart, the downtrend has clearly been reversed, and if the KRW 30,000 resistance is breached, a long-term uptrend may unfold. On the monthly chart, a positive three white soldiers candlestick pattern has formed, which historically signals an upward trend backed by strong demand. Third, outlook in AI scenario. The outlook is closely linked to the growth of the EV and battery market. Cosmo Chemical is actively expanding potential profit sources through battery recycling plant expansion, North American market entry, and high value-added material development. Growth in the battery recycling sector and rising cobalt sulfate prices are expected to further boost earnings. AI analysis also indicates improvement in supply demand and an active push for financial restructuring, suggesting potential for a future rebound. After significant correction, the market now favors rate cuts and economic recovery, which could improve profitability in the chemical sector overall. Thanks for watching this quick analysis of Cosmo Chemical. If you have any questions or opinions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like. It really helps a lot.